Hello, this is Digital Wandering back again. And I was recently on the Mac Rumors forum, and a user there posted a thread about Wikipedia not being accessible on Snow Leopard. That really surprised me because here I have my 2007 MacBook, and I did a demo on this channel testing the web browsing capabilities of the machine, and I didn't have any issues accessing Wikipedia on any of the browsers at that time. So when I saw that thread, I had to pull out my machine and check again to see if I lost that capability. But so far, it looks like Wikipedia is still here. This is the Safari for Snow Leopard. This is from, I believe, 2013. Let's just look at this About Safari page. Yeah, 2013, Safari version 5.1.10. Still working here, still pulling up the full page, still seems to have all the content there. So it looks like Safari, and this Safari is the weakest browser on this machine, because I also was able to pull it up in Chrome, and this is the Chrome that's compatible. Got to remember to keep everything on in frame here. I'm using my cell phone to record this, and I'm often looking at the screen and not looking at the camera. Okay, so now this is the Chrome for Snow Leopard. This is from like 2016, and this is probably one of the more capable browsers for Snow Leopard, even though it's 4 years out of date. No problem there. Now we also have instance of Wikipedia, and I'm just using the Snow Leopard page from Wikipedia here. You can use any other page that you want to demo, and I thought this one would be the most appropriate. This is the Arctic Fox browser. This browser is like a hobby browser for users of these retro machines. Still under development. I think this was updated as recently as a few months ago. So this is the latest version as far as I know right now. And this has no issue at all accessing Wikipedia. Now, one thing to be clear about the access here is that at some point it will go away, especially for Safari. I just uploaded a video showing that Safari on 10.4 Tiger cannot access Wikipedia naturally. There's a workaround that I show there by using Google Cache, but as of right now, Safari for Snow Leopard, it doesn't have to use that. You can pull up the full Wikipedia page still. So that's the one thing about these retro computers. If you're a retro computer user and at some point you will lose access to things, there are browsers that are still in development by individual developers, or sometimes a small team, sometimes just one person putting these browsers together. How long that will last, not really sure. I use these old machines for fun, so I don't really depend on them to do heavy lifting. I use my modern machines to do so. And if you are able to, it's best to use a modern machine running a up-to-date supported web browser just to get the most out of your machine for doing modern web tasks. If you're just not needing to do stuff on the web and you're doing things mostly offline, a lot of times these old machines can be extremely capable, but they do have some limitations. But right now, Wikipedia is still capable on Snow Leopard. So this is Digital Wandering signing off.